I'm Abdul Manan Mohammed from University of Central Florida, and I'm here to present my paper It's All in the Personality, a comparative study of real, ideal, and customized virtual instructors for AR assembly tasks. So let's get moving. So we are starting to see embodied LLM agents becoming instructors in augmented reality. Instead of static tutorials or pre-scripted systems, we now have AI agents that can speak, respond, and guide users in real time. And the powerful part is this: they can adopt any personality. They can be structured and task focused, friendly and encouraging, energetic and expressive. So the question becomes, what kind of instructor should we actually design? To investigate this, we structured the study around three core questions. First, do human instructors actually outperform virtual instructors in perceived instructional efficacy? Second, if we design an AI personality based on literature recommended ideal instructor traits, does that improve instructions? And third, what happens when we allow users to customize their instructor's personality? Does personalization improve perceived efficacy? So we conducted a within subjects experiment with 26 participants from our university community. Participants range from age 19 to 45. Each participant experienced four instructional conditions: a human instructor, a personality match virtual instructor, a literature based virtual instructor, and a user customized virtual instructor. So we label these conditions as R for the real instructor, VA for the personality match virtual instructor, VB for literature based virtual instructor, and VMI for user customized virtual instructors. So you'll be seeing these short forms ahead in this presentation and in the paper as well. So the experiment took place across a transparent AR projection screen with the participant and the instructor positioned on the opposite sides, as you can see in this image. For the virtual conditions, we replicated the real virtual instructor's appearance using a 3D scan and a meta-human pipeline to ensure consistency across conditions. Participants assembled Lego figures consisting of 12 pieces, designed to be comparable in difficulty. It was randomized among users for different conditions. A camera tracked a camera tracked assembly progress in real time. So moving on. To operationalize personality, we grounded all conditions in validated Big 5 measures using the IPIP Neo 120 instrument. The real instructor's personality was assessed and used as the baseline profile. The personality matched AI embedded his complete numeric Big 5 profile and linguistic descriptors directly into the system prompt. The literature-based AI used empirically derived ideal instructor's traits from prior large-scale research mapped to the same scale. So we look into the studies done by Kim and Matt Kahn, and we use those as the derivative for the literature-based instructor personality. In the user customized condition, participants selected their preferred Big 5 levels via sliders mapped to validated intervals. Importantly, across all virtual conditions, the system architecture remained identical, only the personality profile changed. To ensure behavioral fidelity, we embedded numeric traits, scores, and validated descriptors directly into the system prompt. Constrained contradictory behaviors and control generation variance to maintain stability across runs. We evaluated both objective and subjective measures. Objectively, we measured task duration, instructor errors, and corrections. For social presence, we used the validated 36-item Harms-Bioga questionnaire. We also included 5 custom subjective impression items. We measure overall user experience using UEQ and also finally collected final instructor rankings. Now, starting with objective performance, we found a significant effect for task duration. Participant completed the task significantly faster with the real instructor compared to all the virtual instructors. However, we found no significant differences for instructors' errors or correction. Notably, error occurred only in virtual conditions, so this effect was not statistically significant. Only the statistically significant part was in the task duration. Now, turning to social presence, we observe strong support for all three hypotheses. Overall, social presence scores differed significantly across conditions. The real instructor consistently scored highest. The personality matched AI scored lowest across most dimensions. Both the literature-based and the user-customized instructor significantly outperformed the personality-matched version. For perceived message understanding in particular, the real instructor significantly outperformed all virtual instructors, while the user-customized instructor also outperformed both virtual baselines. Only emotional interdependence showed no significant differences. Overall, these results show strong subjective support for our hypothesis. Turning to the single item measures, we again observe strong effects across conditions. The personality matched AI consistently scored lowest on trust, engagement, and frustration. Both the literature based and the user customized instructor significantly improved these perceptions. For frequency of use, the one highlighted over here, in particular, the real instructor here scored highest overall. Importantly, the user customized instructor significantly outperformed both virtual baselines, indicating that allowing users to shape the personality meaningfully increase acceptance. Overall, these findings again support all three hypotheses. As you also you can see other single item questionnaires as well, in which real item perform better, but in the personable you can see the the user customized virtual instructor outperformed real instructor as well. Now, turning to user experience questionnaire, we again observe strong effects. For attractiveness and pragmatic quality, the user customized instructor significantly outperformed the virtual baselines, and in some cases even exceeded the real instructor. Most notably, for the hedonic quality, the enjoyment dimension, both the literature based and the user customized instructors significantly outperformed the personality matched AI and were rated higher than the real instructor. This suggests that enhanced virtual personalities can create a more enjoyable experience than a real instructor. Now, moving on, we asked participants to rank the instructors from most to least preferred. We found a significant effect of condition. The real instructor and the user customized instructor were both ranked significantly higher than the personality match and the literature based baselines. Importantly, we found no significant difference in preference between the real instructor and the user customized instructor. The VA, the personality matched instructor was marked lowest in all conditions. It was either third or fourth. So overall, we found that human instructors still lead in efficiency and clarity. Participants completed tasks significantly faster and reported higher trust and message understanding with a real instructor. However, personality design clearly matters. Both the literature-based and the user-customized virtual instructors significantly outperform the personality-matched baseline. Interestingly, the enhanced virtual instructors even exceeded the real instructor in hedonic quality, suggesting that virtual agents can be more enjoyable when the personalities are carefully crafted. Perhaps most importantly, user customization increased attachment and preference. The customized instructor matched the real instructors in ranking and significantly increased reuse intention. This suggests that personality alone is not enough, but giving users control over personality may meaningfully improve virtual instruction systems. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, you can email me. Here's my email ID. You can see in the slides over here. Feel free to reach out with any questions that you have. Thank you.